Hi guys, assalamu alaykum. Welcome to Hooyo. I'm Farduwsa. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, we'd love to have you here. So consider joining us. Today we're gonna do this bad boy, Babebox. This is a subscription, monthly subscription box, and they have makeups and makeup related stuff. The thing is that I don't wear makeup. Um, so I can't remember if it was this one or another subscription box that was offering perfume and lotion and stuff. So I honestly cannot remember what I have in here. This is what it was first month, which was free. You just pay the shipping, and then you pay monthly service or monthly subscription, or 3 months, 6 months. So I think I have signed monthly, but I haven't really heard anything positive about it after I purchased it. So it's gonna be exciting to see what next month's gonna look like. I'll keep you updated, guys. Like you see, I haven't opened it yet, so we'll open it together. And Mama gonna use the safety scissor because I can't find any other scissors. So if it's makeup and only makeup product, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. If you're new here, check out our other videos, and we typically do a lot of cleaning, and except for right now the cleaning is on pause. Cooking, meal prep, and so on. So it's pretty much so oops so it's like this, and the box is this side. Alright, so let's see what we have. Like I said, I have no idea what I have here. Okay. So this is the card, and I think the card explains what's inside the box and the cost of that item, retail value of that item. So, and this is the list of items that is in there. So how many items I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 items in there, and it says the total box value is $133 US. There is the lip oil, highlight pencil, eyeshadow, and a bronzer powder. So let's see. Packaging is cute. The only other subscription box that I ever had was like Ipsy, and I had that for a couple months. That was back in 2015, and then I canceled it because, like I said, I don't really wear makeup. And so let's see. There it is, the Secret Cosmetic. So this is the oil. I hope that you guys can see. They are so small. Oh, this is leave-on mask. Is that what it is? It says leave me on. Is it mask? Is it mask? No. Is it gel-based, oil-free, ultra calming foam made for the fall season. rehydrate your skin after hot summer, reduces support to minimize after using daily after 2 till 3 weeks. I can't tell if it's sunscreen. I think it's sunscreen. Alter calming, rehydrate, repelling, rejuvenating protection cream. So I'm assuming this is a sunscreen. And is this liquid eyeshadow? And then we have the highlighter. Is it? I don't want to open it because we are going to do a giveaway, and for that reason I'm not gonna open it. So this is how the giveaway gonna work, and again, this is my first giveaway, so bear with me. All you have to do is just subscribe to my channel by just letting me know by commenting down below, and follow me on Instagram, and you will get yourself. So there's a 5 item, right? So let's see, what are their price value actually? So the leave-on mask market value says $44. The oil, I think it's this one, is $28 in a retail, and then the pencil is $20. The color ivory, and the highlighter, the liquid eyeshadow, it's awfully small for $21. This is $21. And the powder, the bronzer powder, $20. So I'm gonna select 3 people and do a giveaway. You have to be in United States to enter this. Mama got no money to shipping a $20 item for $40. I got no money, not that kind of money. So 3 people will be getting these 5 items. And all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, comment, like and comment here, and then follow me on Instagram. I'll pick up 3 lucky subscribers, and they will get this. You have to be in the United States to participate this discounting. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The only downside about it is that I have to purchase next month in order to get this box free, and next month is almost $30, and I'm assuming I'll get something similar to this. So we'll see how that goes. So this is all I have in this Babebox. This is my first unboxing in my channel. So let me know how I did, guys, and Let me know if you're new here. Comment down below and check it out our other video for cleaning and meal prep motivation. Yeah, and if you are one of those new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Super excited. This channel is picking up really fast, and I'm really grateful to you guys and your amazing support. So thank you. If you're on Snapchat, you coming from Snapchat, welcome. I'm more active in Snapchat than Instagram or Facebook, but we are on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. We are all in all platform. So check us out. I'm gonna leave all that down below. Also, I have some nursing or FNP book recommendation down below through Amazon. Check it out. Yeah. So to participate this contest, you will have to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, do all the good stuff, and then go in Instagram and like there and let me know that you want to participate in my giveaway content, and then I'll pick up 3 lucky winners. You have to be in the United States to participate, and you'll get your free Babebox items. This is all I have today. Until next time, take care. We'll see you guys. Assalamu alaykum. Bye.